Astronomy, the natural science involving celestial bodies such as stars, nebulae, planets, comets, and galaxies. Astronomy is concerned with the evolution, chemistry, and physics of celestial bodies. This study has been seen in many cultures, including the Egyptians, Mayans, the Aztecs, the Greeks and Romans, and most other cultures that have wondered at the night sky. There are two branches to astronomy: theoretical and observational. Observational deals with the numeric and physical properties of celestial bodies, including mapping the night sky, whereas theoretical astronomy is about making theories for how celestial bodies work. Theories such as Cantor's model of the universe or Copernicus' model of the universe. Cosmology is the understanding of the universe as a whole, from its origin, its structure, the evolution, the fate, and generally how everything works. Cosmology and its ideas have usually been centered on religion and science. Religion has been prominent in earlier centuries in BC times, while science has taken the upper hand in recent ideas. As long as you are explaining something about the universe, you are partaking in cosmology, whether it be how the universe got started, or an explanation for why, if there is 125 billion galaxies in the universe, with each galaxy having over 400 billion stars, and each star having one or more planets to it, then what is the probability of another planet containing life on it? Definite possibility. We're even looking into the possibility of life in our own solar system, revolving the very star we rotate around, on a moon called Europa. Europa is the moon's sixth in orbit around Jupiter, the smallest of the four satellites found by Galileo that surrounds it. Discovered in 1610, Europa is slightly smaller than the Earth's moon, and made of silicate rock and most probably containing an iron core. Europa has an atmosphere composed of mainly hydrogen, and it has been assumed that under its ice surface that there is a liquid ocean. This would mean that there is possible geothermal energy radiating from Europa's core, and the second possibility, tectonically active plates. So with geothermal energy, water, and oxygen, Europa has a slight potential for having life on it. This possibility of life on Europa has sparked a research mission set for 2020 with countries like America, Russia, and Japan partaking in the adventure. We'd have to drill a couple meters down into the ice surface in order to find any trace of life. The first idea is to drill with the thermal rotary drill to get samples deep enough into the ice. The second idea is to drill a hole big enough for a submersible craft to locate and document samples in Europa's underwater world. Getting a submersible into space would involve a space shuttle. This means we'd have to load up a space shuttle with an ocean rover, not to mention designing a craft that could get to Europa, land the submersible, get underwater, back to the craft, and then back to Earth in one piece. This means major advancements in rocket science. Rocket science involves many aspects of engineering, technology, and physics. Engineering so that rockets fire at the right time, mechanical wiring is right, and the electronics, well, they need to work how they're supposed to. Technology, so everything happens when they're supposed to without glitches, and physics, so the space shuttle just doesn't explode randomly.